The traditional fishing villages with their big
Hey everyone, and welcome back to my postpartum diaries. Today I am 28 days postpartum, and I'm so excited to share a day in my life with you. And of course, to introduce you to the star of the show, my beautiful baby girl, our fourth child, and the only princess in the house. She's just been the sweetest addition to our family. Today is going to be a busy one as usual, but I wanted to give you a real glimpse into what life looks like right now. So grab a cup of tea or whatever makes you comfy and let's get started. All right, first things first, this desk. It's a disaster. It's become the temporary home for all sorts of baby gifts and items that have accumulated over the past few days. It's time to get this space organized because it's so amazing how quickly things pile up.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now. Put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room, perfume. Go, go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you. And you're in the mood for empathy. There's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck God, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and your girl in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good game home is sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S.
Of course, baby clothes are the cutest and girl baby clothes at that, but they also create the most laundry because there's so many tiny little pieces. So laundry is a must. And if you've been watching me for a while or from back in the day, you know I used to do a lot of laundry even before baby girl, so now it's even worse. And I'm gonna be line drying, so it's gonna be an all day affair, so I have to just stop and get these into the washer since I'm done taking off all the tags and stuff off the new ones. I'm just gonna get these into the washer and then get back to the desk so that they can get started washing while I'm doing something else.
let you go. Girl, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight is on an island. Yeah. It's about time we're making up. Found you wasn't with me waking up. Now you feel said I didn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. Oh, just to know you want you. So come close, I want you. Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We've had this place on earth. Take you there, I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We've had this place on earth. Take you there, I'll take you there. Take you there, won't you? Fill me up till my cup's overflowing. I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby. It's about time we're making up time. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you feel said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. Oh, just to know you want you. So come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We've had this place on earth. Take you there, I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We've had this place on earth. Take you there.
And there we have it, a clear space. And they say a clear space is equal to a clear mind, right? So from there, I made my bed, and baby girl is saying hello. You saying hello to the vlog? All right. Made up my bed, hydrated myself some, when you're breastfeeding, it's a lot. You gotta stay hydrated. And now I am going to go and try and get myself together. Baby girl is napping, so I can get a few minutes to myself to shower and try to feel a little bit human again and to take off this robe. Right? So after my shower, I'm feeling refreshed, and I want to show you guys this. So I'm gonna be using this trip instead of using the disposable breast pads. I want to catch every last drop of the liquid gold. So I saw these and decided that I was gonna use these. This is gonna be the first time I'm using them for any of my kids, and it's much better for the environment. Yes. And like I said, it's liquid gold, so every drop counts.
Fill me up till my cup's overflowing. I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby. It's about time we're making up time. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you feel said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. Oh, just to know you want you. So come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We've had this place on earth.
Now back to the laundry. As you can see, the washing machine is working overtime, and I've already put some stuff out, and I'm taking up these so I can make space to put out the next batch of laundry. Big up to the Rastaman. Hubby is capturing this footage, and he's doing a good job. He's also been the head chef in the house since I've come home from the hospital with baby, so I don't have to worry about meals and anything in the kitchen. So big up to him for that again. Now the Jamaican sun is intense, but it's perfect for drying clothes quickly. And Honestly, there's something that's so satisfying about hanging things to dry. I used to be a little bit more peculiar, is the word I believe, about hanging stuff on the line and like matching clothespins and that sort of thing. And but now I guess that laundry is so much, I don't get caught up in all of that so much. But yeah, back to the sun. It's crazy hot outside. So after taking these up and putting out the other load, I most times after being outside with doing any kind of laundry related task, I end up having to take a shower. So once I'm done with these, as I say, I'm gonna be putting on the other load that's in the washer right now, and then I'm definitely going to need to take a shower.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying, you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them turn the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room perfume. Go, go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic.
Okay, so let's see how much milk I collected. I brought this into the bathroom with me because usually when I'm coming out of the shower, I have letdown. So I collected this much. Not much, but like I said, every drop counts.
Poetic justice, poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy. There's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck God, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga, don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga, that ain't good.
So today was a couple days after my birthday, and a friend of mine did come over. There she is, and she bought this gift for me. I unboxed it and put it there. This was some lip balm things that I actually hung on the Christmas tree because they came like that. Now it is time to start closing up for the evening. Baby boy is having his dinner. I'm gonna have mine as well. I'm closing the door to keep the mosquitoes out and just closing the blinds so nobody will be able to see me if they're walking by. And I'm gonna get some work done on my laptop while I am having dinner.
They say conversation, rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know you, know you, know you, know you, know you what you want. Oh, what it got this, put it in the song. Alright. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know you, know you, know you, know you, know you what you want. Oh, what it got this, put it in the song. Alright.
Now it's time to truly wind down for the evening. We've had dinner. I'm gonna do bath time and bedtime routines for the 3-year-old and the baby. But first, all that laundry that I did today, some of it is still sitting out. I'm going to fold and put away stuff for myself, hubby, and baby boy. And then I'm going to fold baby girl stuff, and then I'm gonna put them back into her bath pan that you see sitting on the bed right here. And then after that, we're gonna get into the kids' nighttime routine.
let you go. Oh, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like a horizon. With you tonight is on an island. Yeah. It's about time for waking up. Times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you feel said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you. So come close, won't you? Won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We've had it place on earth. Take you there, take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We've had it place on earth. Take you there, take you there. Take you there, won't you? Fill me up till my cup's overflowing. I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby. Say our time we're making up time. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you. So come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We've had it place on earth. Take you there, take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We've had it place on earth. Take you there, take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We've had it place on earth. Take you there, take you there. Take you there, won't you? Fill me up till my cup's overflowing. I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby. Say our time we're making up time. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you. So come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We've had it place on earth. Take you there, take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We've had it place on earth. Take you there, take you there. Take you there.
And now the final challenge of the night is to get Little Miss to sleep. As you guys may have noticed, she went down a few minutes ago and then she woke up. So I tried to nurse her some more and she wasn't having it. So she's definitely putting up a fight tonight. It's gonna be long. But if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. I wouldn't trade any of this. The moments are precious, even when they're challenging, like now. But that was my day, 28 days postpartum. Thank you so much for joining me for this day in the life. I hope you enjoyed this glimpse into my life. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you did. And I'll see you in the next video. Good night. Or I should say bye. It's good night for me, but it's bye for you. Until next time.